Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but I'm tired and it needs to be done, so let's do it. I had to rip this thing off like 5 times for the video already, but I'll do it again, just for you. Because I had to rip it off like a lot of times, there's still like latex on my face. And lead in my teeth. But I'm gonna rip off the smile first. Ow. The reason I'm using tweezers is to not get my hands dirty. Now I'm gonna see if I can rip these parts off. Ooh. Never mind, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And once again, I am not terrifying. Beautiful, thank you. Okay, I took most of it off. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the ear in the shower. I won't forget it this time. But you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me. Rainbow Special Effects Edition? Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup melt. And we're gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. How did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. Take off my makeup with me. I turned myself into BMO from Adventure Time. I cut the head hole too big though. It seemed like a good idea at the time. Whoa, photo op. Sorry, my impulses got the best of me. Look at my hand. Let's start with that. Now let's get this beautiful face. Oh man, oh wow. This is rough for sure. The blue paint from this palette definitely like stains, so this should be fun. Get my nose crevices. I'm gonna have so much paint in my eyes. Sydney Morgan makeup eraser though, snatch it, I'm gonna tag it in the video. Sometimes I just wonder what my life has come to. I genuinely don't think I'm gonna be able to be unstained. One like equals one prayer. See you next time. I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I can't wait to take this off. Oh my god. But, to give myself some credit, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I made these ears out of paper and wire, and let's take them off. Ooh. This isn't even a correct bald cap. It's a hair cap. Wig cap is the right word. I forgot that word. This is air dry clay, and my skin is not happy with it. It's squishy. I'm mentally preparing myself for being able to breathe again. Ooh. Ah. What is this? I'm just gonna finish taking the rest of this off. And of course, we need the nightmare fuel. Oh boy. Alright, the moment of truth. No. There's no way. I took a shower. It's not coming off. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, Grinch edition. I was just out in the snow. I have a shirt on, I swear, so it's already like coming off. Here's my neck. This is really a look right here. This is like if the Grinch was a Karen. Get the hat off, the sideburns. Oh my god. I really thought this wasn't gonna hurt. This is not going well. There's just hair everywhere. Guys, I'm actually getting scared. I'm stuck in here. Ah, we're getting somewhere. My baby hairs and eyebrows are gonna be completely gone. Oh, I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the Tooth Fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the Tooth Fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, the lighting's really bright. Hello? But yes, it is time to take this off again. Originally, this look was supposed to be like a scary side and a pretty side, but slowly it turned into like Heat Miser and Snow Miser, and I don't know how that happened. I better not see any comments about it or I will cry. But now it's time to start learning how to speak Valeria, yes. Contacts. Now that I can actually see myself, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just always so hard on myself for no reason. Anyways, I put thread in my hair to like expand the thread. I once again feel like a shoe. A really pretty shoe. Ow. Let's get this over with. Oh no. The gemstones just flew everywhere. Let's do that again. Oh, they just fell. I know you guys need your nightmare fuel. And I forgot to film the last part, but I'm not clean, but I have a different makeup on now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? If you said that it's time to take this off again, then you would be correct. I am really happy with this makeup, and I am once again really sad to be taking it off, but it is midnight, and I need to go to bed. I can't believe I decided to give toothless eyelashes. Also, if you couldn't tell, there's a lot of things on my face, so let's start taking those off. I'll do the small ones first. Yeah, never mind. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I can keep going. Ooh. I feel nothing. Okay, the big mouth. I feel nothing. I feel nothing. Now the nose. It's really funny because if I look up, you can totally tell that it's just on top of my nose, but it's fine. It's an illusion. Shh. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Oh, yes. This is not my best look, but it's not the worst, so we're chilling. Good stuff. Nice. It always feels good to take makeup off. Especially makeup like this. I'll be right back. Oh wow, look, nothing changed. I'm just kidding. Look at me. Even though that was a fairly simple look, if you guys still want to see a tutorial or want to know what products I used, go ahead and check the link in my profile. It's a tutorial, oh yes. But other than that, you guys have an amazing day. Yeah. You guys, it's time to take this off again. This piece did not want to stay on at all, so we're taking it off first because it's basically off already. There are so many icicles on me. Ow. Pain. This thing is like gelatin. So nice and gross. We love it. If you're wondering how long this took me, 10 hours. Huh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And while I'm very sad to be taking this look off, I am very excited to breathe again. Bye. There is paint in my mouth and paint in my nose. And I feel like there's paint in my hair. I don't know what that was. Okay, quick and painless. Quick and... Ow. Okay, we're almost there. You might think I'm being dramatic, but that hurts. And in the trash you go. Be honest, did we miss the nightmare fuel? All clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean.